How to make a photo collage on iPhone without using third-party apps. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open up Shortcuts app in your mobile device. Once you open it up, simply go ahead and tap on Gallery at the bottom right corner. Now once you are inside here, in the search bar, search for Photo and simply tap on Photo Grid under Shortcuts. Now once you do that, simply tap on Add Shortcut at the bottom. Now once you are done, simply tap on Shortcuts at the bottom left corner. Now as you can see, Photo Grid has been added to our shortcuts. So go ahead and tap onto it. Now it will lead you to your gallery. From your gallery, go ahead and select a photo that you would like to make a collage of. And once you're done, simply tap on Add at the top right corner. And just like so, you'll be able to make a photo collage on iPhone without using third-party apps. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.